Look around the room. Everything you see that's not a plant, a pet, or a person has been manufactured. Manufacturing is huge in West Michigan. Office furniture, Corvette bumpers, and aerospace components are just a few of the many products we make. Right out of high school, you can work in production, making things by hand or machine in a high-tech environment. With a year or two of training, skilled trades like welding, plumbing, and machine repair offer job security and advancement. And that's just the start. A college degree can lead to careers in engineering, IT, business administration, and more. Let's find out more from people who do this every day.
Come on now, we waiting on you. I think I strayed a little bit from the question. I don't even remember what it was, but
I just got nervous all of a sudden. I don't know why.
my name is Jeremy. I work business development at Shirtle MedTech, North America.
My name is Richard Hitzman. I am a VCT setup operator.
My name is Chastity Seawald, and I am head of nitriding and sorting.
Essentially, we manufacture high-quality springs and stampings. It's really engineering-based.
The springs that we make go on the end of camshafts. It's all about quality.
We take on all the jobs that other people don't like to do, the difficult ones, the things that are challenging and puzzling.
I grew up in a mechanic family. I learned a lot of stuff from my uncles, a lot of stuff from my dad. It's hands-on, take it apart, put it back together.
My dad got mad. He was not happy. I would try and take quads apart and put them back together and stuff, and then I'd be like, oh, we got some extra parts. So, yeah.
The short answer is no. I did not always want to work in manufacturing. I started off as an EMT, and I really wanted to, serve for people, and that didn't fit me emotionally. So I was looking for another way that I could help. I can kind of apply those things that I learned and the desire to help people in a way that's different, but at the same time, very rewarding. I started off as a shot peener. Eventually I became a VCT operator, so a CNC machine operator, and then moved into sales, and now I'm a business developer for our medical department.
I spent 8 months as a temp when I first started here. Then my supervisor came up to me again. He says, well, would you like to learn our machines? So I went to VCT, the machine side, and I've been there for the last 4 years.
Skills to get to the place where I'm at, I would say communication. The ability to express yourself and the ability to really convey ideas in a way that everyone can understand, I think is super important.
When I started in this industry with CNC, I got trained by the guys that have been there 30, 40 years. Pay attention to the guys that are trying to teach you.
I did not pay close attention to the geometry in school, and I probably should have.
Pay attention to math. It helps.
Focus on creativity. Focus on what you enjoy. Learn more about how things work. Take something apart, put it back together.
I like that I don't do the same exact thing every single day. I get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and I don't get bored. I'm very busy, so it keeps me on my toes. I like that.
Learning something new every day. That's what I love about my job.
When I came here, I knew nothing at all about manufacturing. The experience that I gained from it and the things that I learned from it are invaluable. And I think that they've trickled down to a point where I'm actually able to fix my own car now.
I was never in the manufacturing field at all. I was in restaurant before I came here. So they actually taught me everything that I know.
When I first started here, I was very shy. Well, not no more.
I get to work with my friends because I've made a lot of friends here.
If they see me out on the floor, I see them walking through, they'll stop, they'll talk to you.
Everybody accepts you right away. What's your name? Where did you work before? Happy to have you on our crew. Ask questions and they'll show you. They have absolutely no problem with that.
Like if you can make a comfortable living, doing something that you enjoy, that I think is more important than making $1 million and being miserable.
We hope you guys learned a little about manufacturing. For more information about career opportunities near you, check out westmiworks.org.
If I can do it, you can do it. That's ridiculous.